My name is Andrew and this is Rogue Wrenching. Today we are going to be repairing a squeaky door hinge like the one behind me. This door hinge is nasty. Here's a quick sample so you know what it sounds like. Obviously that's a really annoying sound that you're going to want to fix. Now here's the quick little secret, is that it's a really easy fix and I'm going to show you how to do it in the next 60 seconds. These are the three items that you will need to complete this repair. First, you're going to need a hammer, and then you're going to need a flathead screwdriver, and then finally, you're going to need some silicone lubricant. I'm using Max silicone spray from Napa, but you can use whatever is available or suits your fancy. It's got to be silicone based though. So what you're going to want to do is to close the door first, that way the door stays in place when you remove the hinge pin, and then take your flathead screwdriver on the bottom of the hinge and tap it with a hammer to push the pin out. Once the pin has started to move and has moved about 1/4 inch up, there's a little lip on the top of the pin you can catch with the end of your flathead and continue to hammer the pin out. And there's the pin. Next, you're going to want to take your silicone spray and spray the pin down very lightly with silicone. Doesn't take a whole lot, and then give a little bit of a spray into the hinge and then reinstall the pin. The pin may require a few taps with a hammer to get it all the way back in. And you're done. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this repair video was helpful to you. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing. You could win $100. I'll link the video right there. Thank you again for watching, and we'll see you guys very, very soon.